Welcome back to the channel, everybody. And today I am here in Porsche Riverside. The reason why is because I wanted to check this one out. This 911 Carrera S with a manual transmission. This gives a totally different experience when you are driving. It doesn't look that different than a regular Carrera S, but manual transmission changes everything. And also carbon ceramic brakes. That is an amazing add-on on this car. Then it stands out so much. You can see the interior. 911 interior, very common to see. But manual transmission is something that you don't see that. 7-speed manual is an experience that you have when you drive one of these. A 7-speed manual, it's a totally different experience. PDK is faster and is way better than manual. I mean, when you talk about timing, lap timing and stuff like that. But a 7-speed manual is an engaging experience that you're never gonna forget, and that's the reason why I believe that the 7-speed manual transmission from Porsche is one of the best transmissions that you can buy. And the newer Porsches are coming to the 992s. They have manual transmission too. Right now there are not too many, but they are on the way. Everybody will have PDKs all over the place, and I know everybody will enjoy PDKs, but nobody will have a manual. You can pull everywhere. Having a manual transmission is something that you are the only lucky one that is going to have. This will be an excellent experience if you buy this Porsche. This will be one of the few. A better Porsche than this one will be a Carrera GTS with manual transmission. It will be better, but the Carrera S, I think, is more than enough. Mine, I have a manual transmission M4, it's fun, but this one is going to be even more fun. But anyway, a short video just to tell you about this Carrera S experience that I had driving it, and I already love it, even knowing that I cannot afford it. But probably you can afford it, so you come over here to Porsche Riverside and probably you can buy it. You know, enjoying something that you actually work hard to have. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share it, subscribe to the channel, important. Follow me on Instagram and follow Porsche Riverside on Instagram too. Thank you for watching.